Hi, my name is Keturah, and I'll be singing Feed the Birds from the Broadway musical Mary Poppins. Each day to the steps of St. Paul's, the little old man woman comes in her own special way to the people she calls. Come, find my bags full of crumbs. Come feed the little birds, show them you go, and you'll be glad if you do. Their young ones are hungry, the nests are so bare, all it takes is tuppence from you. Feed the birds, tuppence a bug, tuppence, tuppence, tuppence a bug. Feed the birds, that's why she cries, while overhead her birds fill the skies. All around the cathedral, the saints and apostles look down as she sells her wares. Although you can't see them, you know they are smiling each time someone shows that he cares. Her words are simple